welcome back to ALH, Success Line's Fashion and Fitness channel. In this fitness edition, we are going to dance. I am going to teach you a choreographed routine that only has 4 easy steps. Now remember, do them at your own pace and in your own way. So get up and let's get moving together. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you, so please subscribe. If you're not following me over on Instagram, please follow me there as well. And let's get dancing. So the first movement involves the arms. So this is going to actually give you a chance to work the arms. Now, what you're going to do is put the arms out, and then you're going to move the arms. And then you just move the arms. And move the arms. It's pretty easy. So the second move is, we're going to start with the right leg, and it's a simple out, middle, back. Now remember the arm movements as well, and back. Front, center, back. Front, center, back. We're going to do that 4 times on the right leg, and then we're going to do it 4 times on the left leg. So, front, center, back. Front, center, back. 4 times. Now, to make it just a little more challenging, you can bend. So, block, bop, 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 and back. Front, back, and front, and then a bop, 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 and dot, bop, 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 and bop. Okay, so you can do it, remember, standing straight, or you can add a bend, or a combination of both. Okay, so let's do our turns. So we're going to start with the right side. So, right, turn, remember, focus, and then left, turn, and then focus, and left. So it's going to be a turn like this. Bop, 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 bop. Remember to focus. Bop. Remember to focus. That is the key to an effective turn. So the last movement is really simple. We're going to just move to the left, to the right, 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 to the count of 8. So now we're going to do it with the music, 1 movement at a time. And then we're going to do the entire routine. So, let's go. And let's begin. Again, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so the next is the leg movements. Starting with the right leg. And bop. 2, 3, 4. Other side, and 1, 2, 3, One, you don't have to bend, you just stand up. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to do these turns, okay? Remember, find something to focus on. Ready, let's begin. And turn. 3, 4. Hey, got it? Now the final move is just to move 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of the routine. Now, let's do it all together.